let's go over what feedback required means on Instagram. Now, you might be trying to log into Instagram and you see this message that says feedback required. It looks something like this. And you're wondering what that means, how to get past it, how to log into Instagram so that you can use the app. I'll show you how to use it and how to get around this feedback required error message. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So if you're getting this message, the first thing to do is to check on Google and we'll type in, is Instagram down? So is Instagram down? The key here is that a lot of times these error messages are because there's an error on the Instagram servers. So go to down detector here. And if we scroll down, if you see a huge spike in errors associated with Instagram, then most likely you're getting that feedback required error because there's an issue with the Instagram servers themselves. So there's nothing you can necessarily do. You just have to wait until they're back up and running and fixed. And that might be hours down the road or maybe even days if it's a huge issue. The other thing that we'll want to do is let's hop out of here and we'll open up our settings. If it wasn't an issue with the Instagram servers, it might be an issue with the app itself. So let's go down and tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, once you're in here, you'll wait till the Instagram will appear. This whole list will pop up. It takes a few seconds, but then we'll go into Instagram and we'll offload the app and reinstall it. So let's go find Instagram. Find Instagram here. Tap offload, which will remove all of the core app files and re-download them after we hit that reinstall app. And now this should fix any kind of bugs that's causing you to not be able to log into your Instagram account. So after that is done, loading the Instagram app and reinstalling a fresh new version of it, all you have to do is open it up and it should not have that feedback required issue. Let's just open it up here and it should be working perfectly fine. You should be able to log in if you're not already logged in, or if you are, you should just be able to get to browsing on Instagram or posting content. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.